Welcome to Bacolet Beach Club. This is an exclusive hotel tucked away in the hills of Tobago, right around Bacolet Bay. Yes, surrounding this beautiful scenic Bacolet Bay with all its waves, but then there's a beautiful little concave where you can just bathe in splendor. This hotel boasts 3 pools, 2 on this property and then 1 across the street at their sister property. And let me tell you, the accommodations are magnificent. I will take you through my room and you're going to see high ceilings, beautiful spacious bathrooms, balconies. Oh my God, with breathtaking views of Bacolet Bay. And of course, another swimming pool. Remember I told you that there were 3, well there's one right in front of my room. And the hotel is packed to capacity. I know we're thinking it's COVID, but people are traveling. So when you come visit Tobago, you must come stay at Bacolet Beach Club Hotel. Guys, we are going to do a very simple review of my hotel room here in Bacolet Bay. This is a superior room, one of their more renovated ones. All right, so as you enter here, of course, you're entering this huge open space hallway, right? These are the lights. The bathroom is immediately on your right. Now, they have these beautiful blue sinks, and I just think that they're so cool. You know, there's some light under them. They kind of look like, the bathroom when you go to like the clubs. So everything is pretty nice, pretty clean actually. And this would be the shower. It's a pretty big shower. Look at that. That's a full rain shower right there. Yeah, and it's pretty big. Like I can get into it right now and we could do a complete 360. So yeah, it's pretty awesome. Rain shower, it's pretty clean too. Hi, that's me. Hello. Yeah, so look at this. This is super huge. Look at that. The mirror has to be about 4 to 5 feet in height. Over here, we have some cubby holes to put your stuff, good storage. We have some storage here in the cupboards, even more storage on this side. There are hangers, there is an iron, there's a safe, right? And that is all, of course, right where the entrance is. So that's as soon as you walk in the entrance, there's the bathroom on the right. It looks on my left now. And so here is what you're waiting for. Here's the bed. Now, I will tell you that there is a very vintage look to this hotel. It's almost, I would say, post-colonial chic. So this is a huge bed. This is a king-size bed. That headboard is so majestic. It really makes it look much, much, much bigger. So it looks like a California king to me, honestly. AC works well. The room actually has a beautiful scent. I don't know what that scent is, but it's pretty good. The chandelier lights up. I love how that looks. I'm gonna take off all the lights afterwards so we can see what that looks like. There is a phone with like a side table. That lamp is super cool. Look at that lamp. Oh my gosh. That lamp is cool. Look at the lamp, guys. So isn't it cool? It's pretty cool. Everything looks really good. Look at the floors. It's so nice and clean. Look at that. This is really clean. And brand new smart TVs. I want to say it's a 42-inch. There's lots of mirrors here too. Here's another mirror as well, right? And the room seems really, really big because the ceilings are high. And there are these amazing statement pieces, like right where my luggages. Look at that statement piece. That's so gorgeous. Also here, these cupboards, more storage. Of course, a smart TV so you can stream your favorite shows. Again, there are so many majestic pieces that it really gives the space a lot of character. So look at this. This is a Chase Lounge. Oh my gosh. It looks so chic. This is very post-colonial chic. I love this. But I'm actually gonna probably move this a little bit because of the fact that right beyond this window is the beautiful outdoors. So let's go ahead and move that. I'm always moving furniture when I travel. I don't know why, but I'm always doing it because sometimes it just works better moved. I know what you want to see. Another mirror. This is another mirror as well. This is so cool. These mirrors are super fab. I mean, look at the detail of the mirror. I mean, it's gorgeous. It has so much glamour in it, you know? It's like, it says to me, listen, I'm rich on purpose. You know, no excuses. I love that. So that's pretty awesome. And then, of course, a desk to work on, which is really nice. And again, the statement pieces, right? So the chair, the desk, everything, of course, matches. It's the same fabric, but it's so majestic. Everything is so majestic. So let's open up some windows. This is actually the door to outside. And this hotel has 3 pools. 2 pools on this property, and then there's 1 pool at the sister property. So this is the outdoor. This is cool. I'm talking about lounge, relax. There's the ocean. Oh my gosh. I mean, it's night. I'm gonna give you guys the day view afterwards. Don't not even worry your pretty little head about it. These are the new tower suites over here. On this side, these were actually fully booked. So you already know. However, let me tell you, this pool here is super sexy. And the pool is open 24/7. 24/7, and down those steps you can go to the beach. So we're gonna be doing that tomorrow. But I just wanted you to have a look at what this property looks like. It's so beautiful. It's really beautiful. All over there is Bacolet Beach Hotel. So this is pretty hot. I must say, I'm excited.